Hey, in today's video, we're going to have a double unboxing and battle of the key holders. If you'd like to learn more about that, please stick around. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, skincare, handbags, fragrances, candles, anything that brings you a little bit of joy. I am going to be talking today about a couple of entry-level pieces, some key card holders. Actually, they're just key holders, really, that I got during Vlogmas / Christmas. So if you are interested in that, please stick around and like this video, comment, and subscribe. All right, so first thing I want to talk about real quick, and this is not sponsored, I'm just talking about it, is this is something I picked up during Vlogmas. If you didn't watch my Vlogmas, I got something from Second Life Jewels, and I'm wearing this necklace right here, which is an LV repurposed charm necklace. I really, really like it. I think it's really cute. So I'm thinking about buying a few more items from that. I saw it on an Instagram post from Minx for All, so I definitely think that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna check them out for some other repurposed designer finds. So yay. All right, so I bought myself two LV key holders, and I believe in November I did a video about, pretty sure it was November, about my top 5 LV purchases, things that I loved, and the key holders were, I believe, on that list, especially the ones that are the fold over and locking style and not the pouch. Well, I have a pouch one, but it's a vernis leather, older style, very worn, and I don't pick it up very often. So forever I gave into the hype and asked my friend who was in Hawaii for Christmas if she could go to the Ala Moana Center and look and see if they had the style that was the pouch style, because everybody says you need to get the pouch style. So she went there for me, and oh, actually no, this is the one I bought myself. Just a second, I just noticed the ribbon on it. So that was the one I bought myself. This is the one she picked up in Hawaii. So they didn't have the holiday wrapping in Hawaii, and she got one fragrance sample, Spell on You. I'll try that out a little bit later. So this one is what she brought back from Hawaii. And real quick, so I believe there is a discount. Yes. So this clay was $240 in Honolulu, and there was $11 in tax. So I believe that is still cheaper than what you can get it on the website. I'll double check and insert the information. But so this one, it's always sold out online, so I didn't think she would be able to get it, and I sent her this with this big long list. I'm like, I want the Christmas animation if they have it. I know it's a whole complete long shot, but try it out. Sent her, you know, 3 of these, one in every color, and a Neverfull I wanted, actually 2 Neverfulls I wanted, and then Pochette Matisse. And they were all out of Christmas animation, which I figured because it was sold out in like October. They did have the Neverfull in stock, and I almost did it because of the discount, and then I felt guilty about having her have to lug back a giant box and everything, so I just was like, hey, we'll just have to go back together and purchase it and do that way. So a little dust bag. And here we go. And I got, they didn't have Azure in stock. They did have monogram, but most of my items are of this print. So I had her go ahead and pick up that one. So of course inside, there's this little item here, which has a QR code now. It's different. And that. So I've been putting off buying this style forever because of the, it's just so small, and I don't carry a lot of coins, the whole purpose of it is to, for me, I like to do the 6 key, excuse me, and there's a little space in the back where I can put a card. So I picked it up knowing that I probably won't love it, but because everyone's like, oh, and again, I'm giving into the hype. Everyone says, you have to have this one. I thought, well, before another price increase, and it goes up even higher, because, you know, back in the day, these are way under 200, and now they're, you know, 260, whatever. I was like, I just better pick one up and just have it in my collection, and you never know. I might change the way I function, and it will become purposeful again. If I start carrying cash again, that kind of thing, maybe it will make sense to just grab and go and take this with me. So I had her pick me up this one. And then online, because it came into stock, it happened to be there, I did end up purchasing another one. And this one is like the other ones I have. And online you still get the long receipt and all the extras. And let me double check the price. So this is a 6 key. Oh, just says web on there. I want to say it was $280, but again, don't quote me. I don't have it in front of me. But at least they had the holiday ribbon, and also the box was gold, whereas this one, no, it is gold there too. So this one, do you have any guesses of what print it is? Because you might think it's the one. So I have a monogram, 6 key right now, and I have a 4 key in Vernis. It's pink, but so this has been calling me forever. I didn't get it hot stamped or anything. I just got the basic one. And I know I'm going to keep this one because I love this style. I have the passport holder in this print, and I don't know about you ladies, but I am in love with graphite and the Eclipse monogram, the whole men's line. I don't know, that's where it's at for me right now. So whenever I'm browsing the site, when new stuff comes out, I'm just not in love with a lot of what's coming out for the women line. I mean, the men's line, I think it was spring summer that just came out. There's the coolest color options in there. I mean, just fabulous stuff. So, I mean, if they would start making this print and the Eclipse print in some of our bags, I'd be all over it. So some of the ones on my wish list, I think I put it in my one a few months ago, was that it's not the on the go, it's the on the go version, but the men's version. It's beautiful, love it. So I want that one. It's on my wish list for Fashion File. There's a trio pouch in, I think, this print as well. There's just tons of stuff that I'm all over. So I'm really excited that I picked this up. I have a lot of black bags, so this is just really versatile. So whenever I want to buy something in an empreinte, this will go very nicely with it. So I definitely know I'm keeping this one, but I don't know if I'm keeping the other one. So let me down below. Would you send it back, or would you keep it? Is it worth keeping? I know I could probably sell it and for sure make my money back on it, but I don't know. It's just, let me do a comparison side by side, the size of it. So I know that they seem like very similar in size, but because this is just slightly bigger, you can put a card right back here. I don't think you can get a card in easily. Do I have any credit cards sitting out here? I don't think I do. So I don't know. And maybe you all, when you use it, but it feels like it can go inside that one. It's longer, obviously, so it can hold a few more items. And you can get, I mean, I've heard the thing where you can get like a small lipstick or something in there. And I don't know. I just feel like I can grab and go that one with my key a lot easier than this one. Here, here's a lipstick. Ooh, yeah, it doesn't even fit. So I have a lot of lipsticks that are kind of like this. They're like oversized tubes. Yeah, it won't fit. So I don't know. I'm looking at the stitching on it. The stitching's great. I mean, there's no quality issue as far as that goes. I know some people have mentioned that they could see through the edges there. I'm not seeing that. The zipper works really well. Yeah, I mean, it's been made very well. I'm kind of torn. It's like, I'm kind of glad it's in my collection, but I honestly don't know if I'll even use it. So, and I'm coming up on the time where I need to return it too. I have like 5 days left. So I'm sure I could sell it on the resale market or, you know, whatever, and somebody would give me my money back. So I'm not concerned really, but I feel bad buying something that's just going to sit on my shelf and not get used. So, all right. Well, let me know down below what your thoughts are, what you would do. Like I said, I've used the heck out of this one. I love it. I would probably have one in every print and be a happy camper. My other one that's Bernie is significantly bigger, so I've actually used that quite a bit because it has a outside pocket and then the inside pocket, so you could do the card on the outside, which is what I used to do. I used to have my mag card for my building that I worked in on the outside, and then room for things on the inside, so I could literally just grab that and go. If this was just another, I don't know, inch bigger, it would be a lot more useful for me. So coin purse, maybe. So we'll see. So let me know.